keeps us away from workplaces, but work keeps going. It becomes possible with companies that enable remote management of transport, buildings, people, and even machinery. Today, we meet such a company, KLOUDIP, and the people that stand behind it. So, what exactly is KLOUDIP?
We provide IoT and telematics technologies to manage moving and stationary assets remotely. 12 years ago, we started with fleet telematics, but expanded into many other areas as IT penetrates into all aspects of business and personal lifestyles. We don't just develop and sell products. We analyze real-life problems, design solutions, and go with customers until they return on investment.
We develop IoT and telematics technologies. For 12 years, we create smart solutions for businesses. Now we develop them to 4 continents, manage the development center in Europe, and rank high in the world's biggest IoT and telematics community.
We are like the pathfinders for businesses, as people still fear the unknown. You remember the electricity, internet, trains, planes, and cinema scared people to death, but then sparked the world's development. We believe that telematics and IoT can do the same for the businesses of today that just reconcile to their problems. Yes, now they feel lost, but we'll help them find the way.
The market for IoT solutions is booming. How can anybody stand out in this competitive environment?
In many business domains, companies are still okay with the conventional management methods like land phones and Excel tables. So the real market for tech solutions are still not opened up. In such cases, we create high-tech environments from ground up and involve businesses there. That's what I think distinguishes KLOUDIP from the others. We don't just enter markets, but we create them.
Most of the developers work within the software specifications provided by third parties. KLOUDIP is different as we combine the experience of service provider, technology developer, and business consultant. As service providers, KLOUDIP covers the whole development process from testing of hardware, configuring, retrieving data, and building new solutions based on it. As technology developer, KLOUDIP creates the complete solution, not just the software part of it. As consultants, we learn the business pains firsthand, and we create reactive and suggestive solutions to relieve them.
Unlike many, we popularize the technologies, not aggressively sell them. Our main goal is to help as many people as possible to embrace these new technologies. For that, we raise awareness, interest, and make the complicated look really simple through tons of shareable content. We cover each of our solutions on the blog, social media, website, e-learning portal, and email campaigns. Just imagine this. On the day of software release, we already have a series of video tutorials, blog posts, social media posts, and email campaign covering the solution A to Z. Moreover, in the next weeks, we share dozens of real-life implementation examples with our social media and email subscribers. And only after they are 100% sure that they want our solutions do we want companies to adopt them.
Recently, we've observed a falling stock of high-tech companies due to crude economics. They've either sacrificed their revenue to attract clients fast or marketed unscalable niche solutions. How did you find the balance?
Among our customers, every business returned its investment in telematics, as we adhere to 2 main principles. We strive for ROI. If a company invests $1, we ensure that it saves at least $10 by fine-tuning its operations. We never raise prices. Instead, we offer new value-added solutions to save more money for the customer. Some may call it upselling. We call it optimization.
We stay in touch with companies from transportation, logistics, construction, healthcare, and production industries, and we know exactly what results they achieve. Based on this data, we can tell similar businesses when they return the investments and how much they will save. Plus, we relieved all businesses from initial investments into our solutions, like 60 days free trial, free migration from other systems, including the hardware needed for these migrations, refundable hardware deposit, and pay-as-you-go model for our software. Last but not least, servers are on us, as our solutions are cloud-based. It all means that for 2 months, companies earn and save with the solutions by KLOUDIP without paying a cent.
more and more often we see how relatively small teams operate on a global scale. How does it become possible?
That wouldn't become possible without the strong office and the team. Our internal business processes are frequently re-engineered to suit the latest in technology, which makes it quite hard for our employees to keep up with and almost impossible to recruit new staff. As a result, all components of our business are integrated and synchronized to operate as a single large machine.
There are three factors that help us do big things with minor resources. The support of the telematics and IoT community. From service providers in Europe, the Americas, Asia and Africa, we learn each region's requirements and make our solutions universal. Our agile development center in Europe is self-organized to deliver software efficiently. We work with the national brands that are both users and the source of our solutions. When developing something new, we closely work with them to release the products conforming to the international standards.
As told before, we don't sell products, but we offer simple access to telematics and IoT for everyone. For that, we've launched 3 initiatives. First, plug-and-play solutions for the most popular use cases like environmental monitoring, energy management, and private car tracking. We can deliver these solutions to any country like in the box, and the user has to take the device out of the box, place it somewhere, and log into the app. As simple as that. Second is Cloud Repository, which is the biggest telematics app market for businesses. Getting the software from there is as simple as downloading it from App Store and Google Play. So third is the Solution Configurator, where a client can assemble a custom telematics solution for its particular vehicle, building or machinery. Now, he can create the most complex telematics solutions as simple as if he chooses the vehicle configuration on the Tesla website. As simple as that.
If you are questioning how to achieve efficient economics, technology expertise, international presence, and build cross-industry solutions with small resources, KLOUDIP is a bright example. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.